To link the focus mode to lock screen in iPhone 17, first of all we'll need to open our settings. Next step is to enter focus, and from here make sure that you have at least one focus set up. Do not disturb mode doesn't count as it won't show in the focus mode. You just need to set up at least one, like a personal one right there. Then the next step is to lock your device, and then wake it up. Click and hold your finger in the lock screen area. Then click on the focus right here on the specific lock screen you want to assign a focus for, and select whichever one you like. As you can see, do not disturb mode shows up right now, but if you have it as only option in your focus, it won't. So make sure to do that. I don't know if it's a bug or something, but now we can pick a personal focus, and if I enter this lock screen, I will have that focus mode active. If you want, you can always change to a different one without a focus. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.